प्रीवियस क्लासेस में हमने केमिकल रिएक्शन क्या होती है, केमिकल इक्वेशन क्या होती है, बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन एंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ केमिकल इक्वेशन, इन सारे टॉपिक्स को कवर किया है। नेक्स्ट हमारा मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक आता है टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन। सो टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन में हम पहले टाइप की केमिकल रिएक्शन पढ़ेंगे, दैट इज़ कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन। कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन, सबसे पहले इसकी डेफिनेशन देखें तो इट इज़ अ type of chemical reaction in which two or more reactant combine together to give a single product. कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन वो रिएक्शन होती है जिसके अंदर दो या दो से ज़्यादा रिएक्टेंट आपस में कंबाइन होते हैं और एक सिंगल प्रोडक्ट का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं। इसका सिंपल सा एग्जांपल हम लेते हैं। सबसे पहला, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्लेक लाइम। फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्लेक लाइम, कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड रिएक्ट विद वाटर टू गिव कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड प्लस हीट। Calcium hydroxide, that is slag lime, that is quicklime. So when quicklime react with water, it gives slag lime. So two or more reactants are combined together to give a single product. Next example is simple formation of water. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O liquid. So this is all about the combination reaction. Next is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction, this is the opposite of combination reaction. In decomposition reaction, a single reactant is break down in two or more simpler products. Two or more simple product. So this is directly the opposite of a combination reaction. Decomposition reaction is further classified. It is of three types: thermal decomposition, electrolytic decomposition, and last one is photo decomposition. So first let's learn about the thermal decomposition. In thermal decomposition, the reactant is break down with the help of heat energy. Reactant is break down with the help of heat energy. Example: calcium carbonate is given heat and it is divided into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this is an example of thermal decomposition. Next one we have is the electrolytic decomposition. In electrolytic decomposition, the reactant is break down with the help of electrical energy. The help of electrical energy. For example, when electrical energy is passed through water, H2O will decompose into 2H2 plus O2. So this is an example of electrolytic decomposition. And the last type of decomposition is photo decomposition. In this decomposition, the reactant substance is break down with the help of light energy. The example, 2AgCl is given light energy and it is decomposed into 2Ag plus Cl2. So this is all about the decomposition reaction. Next type of reaction is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन सिंपली वो रिएक्शंस होती है जिसके अंदर एक मोर रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट डिस्प्लेस करता है लेस रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट को अपने कंपाउंड से. व्हेन more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound. इस टाइप की रिएक्शंस को हम बोलते हैं डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन। डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन को फर्दर दो टाइप्स में क्लासीफाई किया है, दैट इज सिंगल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन एंड डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन। सबसे पहले हम समझते हैं कि सिंगल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन क्या होती है। सो सिंगल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शंस में जो रिएक्टेंट साइड होती है उसके अंदर एक एलिमेंट जो है वो डिस्प्लेस होता है। एग्जाम्पल, सिंगल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन, जिंक प्लस कॉपर सल्फेट aqueous form. So in this type of reaction, zinc is more reactive than copper, so zinc replaces copper from its compound and form zinc sulfate and copper is displaced. So this type of reaction is known as the single displacement reaction. Next is double displacement reaction. So in double displacement reaction, in the reactant side, two or more elements or group of atoms are displaced. Example, two or more ions or group of atoms displace each other. Example, Na2SO4 react with BaCl2 and it gives BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. So this is an example of double displacement reaction. Next we have oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. So a reaction is said to be oxidized if oxygen is added to a substance or hydrogen is removed from a substance, then the substance is said to be oxidized and the reaction is known as the oxidation reaction. Let's take an example. 2Cu plus O2 gives 2CuO. Here copper is oxidized because oxygen is added to the copper, hence the reaction is known as the oxidation reaction. Next is reduction. The reduction reaction is opposite of oxidation reaction. Like if oxygen is removed or hydrogen is added to a substance, then the substance is known to be reduced and the reaction is called the reduction reaction. Example, H2 plus F2 gives HF. So here F2 is said to be reduced and the reaction is known as the reduction reaction. And the last one is the redox reaction. Redox reaction. A reaction is said to be redox reaction if both the oxidation and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously. Oxidation and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously, then the reaction is said to be redox reaction. Example, ZnO plus C, Zn plus C. Zinc oxide is reduced, carbon is oxidized, and the substance which is reduced in a redox reaction is known as the oxidizing agent, and the substance which is oxidized in the redox reaction is known as reducing agent. So these are all type of chemical reactions.